Hey guys, Eloisa here, and today I'm talking all about hashtags. Hashtags in 2023. Are they still relevant? How do I use them? What are they? Are they garbage? Are they trash? Are they yesterday's news? Or can I still use them to grow my Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube account? Today, I'm gonna do a deep dive. I'm gonna tell you everything that you need to know about hashtags and even give you a good starting place of how to create your own hashtag strategy for your own account. Now, what makes me qualified to talk about this? I am the CEO of Canon Digital. I've been in the digital marketing space for a very long time and work with some pretty high profile creators and teachers online. And you know what? I've also grown accounts from 0 to 150K. So let's get started. What are hashtags? We know it's that little sign like this and there's a word after and you can click the word and go places. They link to stuff. Well, over the years they've been a whole bunch of different things, but as of today, filming this video, I want you to think of hashtags, and I tell this to my team too, but think of hashtags as roadmaps. It's a little shortcut on a roadmap that takes you to a community. The next thing is, how do you use hashtags? Well, to understand this, you're gonna wanna know how to not use hashtags. And this is a training video for my team and also for anyone else who wants to learn about this on YouTube, but specifically for my team, guys, don't ever hashtag a word that doesn't have an associated community. The next thing is, where do you put your hashtags? So currently, different social media platforms have different rules for how many hashtags you can use. But as of today, Instagram, which is where you can use, or you would want to use the most amount of hashtags, you're able to use 30 hashtags within your post. So there's some options. You can bombard your first couple lines with hashtags. I do not recommend that option. It just looks messy and thirsty. You don't want to be thirsty. That's a no-no. So what I do with a lot of my clients is I put the hashtags at the very end. I'll have the post, I'll have some space, I'll have a couple dots, more space, and then I put the hashtags down below. Or what you can do is you can put the hashtags in the first comment on the post. The next thing is, how do I come up with hashtag strategy for my own platform? The cool thing is that you're gonna want to do a lot of research, but you only have to do research maybe once a quarter. Okay, so hashtag research, what that looks like. That looks like going on the platform that you want to be on. So let's just take Instagram and searching these hashtags and seeing if they actually match what you're talking about. So let's use the example of debt-free community and hashtag money. You search hashtag money and it's so broad, you're like, this isn't a good one, and tons of people use it. So you do hashtag debt-free community. And then you find out, okay, these are my people. They talk about what I talk about, and they're probably gonna like the type of content that I make. This is the secret, okay? The secret sauce to choosing hashtags is knowing your lane. If you are a huge content creator, you have free reign to use a lot of the big hashtags. Okay, when I say big, so when you go to like debt-free community, for example, it'll tell you how many times it's been used. Sometimes it's over 30,000, over 1,000,000 times. So if you're a big creator with a lot of engagement, you can use those because you're competing for the top spot. Okay, so say it's been used 50,000 times, but the majority of people using it are really small accounts, and you are a big account with a lot of followers and a lot of engagement, you're most likely to rank higher up. So your post will be showed to more people, and when people actually search for it specifically, your post is more likely to be shown in like the top 6 on the grid that pops up. But if you're a small creator, which I'm guessing most of you guys are, so if you are starting at 0 or are a smaller account, which I'm gonna say probably if you're like under like 30,000 followers for sure, like with minimal engagement, and you're growing right now, you're in the process of growing, you're gonna wanna choose hashtags that rank differently. So when you do your hashtag research, you wanna choose some of the big boys where it's like 50 plus uses, 1,000,000 uses. The key is to mix your hashtags with some of the smaller communities. So if you are on my team, guys, pay attention to this. This is basically the recap. When you are choosing hashtags for a client, first step is do your hashtag research, which I just explained how to do. A mix of ones that are over 30K and less than 30K, and make sure that they relate to communities and specifically what our client is talking about. We don't want to do hashtag love. That's way too broad. No, hashtag blessed. We don't want to see that. We only want communities. Say you're working with a church or a pastor. Instead of hashtag Bible, you can say hashtag Bible verse of the day, right? Because people, from my research, I know that that's a community and people follow it. So if you're on my team, I don't want to see hashtag blessed, guys. We want communities only. Also for my team, you already know this, but I'm gonna reiterate, you put the hashtags at the end. Alrighty guys, I will talk to you later. Have an amazing, beautiful day, and comment any questions down below and any video requests down below. If you need more help, or if you are, you need some consulting, I do offer that. Click the link in my description box. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.